Good morning, Internet. Adam Bate here from websavershosting.ca, and this morning we're going to do just a quick demo video for you on setting up an email redirect or forwarding using Plesk 10. Now this is handled a little bit differently than it was in Plesk 9, so we'll take you through this process this morning. First thing you're going to want to do if you're an existing client of ours, go ahead and log into your Client Center. You can do that with the Client Center icon on the top right of our website. Once you're logged in, you're going to see the list of your hosting plans. You probably only have one. You'll notice I have a few here. Go ahead and click on Access Plesk underneath your web hosting plan. What that's going to do is log you in automatically to the Plesk 10 hosting environment and the control panel. So if you're not a client of ours, this is probably where you'll pick up this video. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is just make sure that the domain name is set underneath the subscription here. I only have the one. And we're going to click on Mail. And we're going to click on the email address or the email account that you want to set up the forward or the redirect for. Let's go ahead and click on that. And now you'll notice these sub-tabs here. We're going to click on the second one in forwarding. We're going to click on the checkbox that says switch on mail forwarding. And then we're going to set the one email address that we want to redirect this email for. So in this case, maybe I want to get it sent to my Gmail account. So that's adam.bate@gmail.com. Go ahead and click OK there. Give that a second to process in the back end there, and this will load up. So we see here the email address, adam@websaversdemo.ca. We'll notice that this little redirect or forward icon here with adam.bate@gmail.com. So you'll notice that that's in place now. And that's really all there is to it. It's just called forwarding versus redirect. In Plesk 9 it was a redirect, in Plesk 10 everything is considered a forward. So that's just forwarding the email to just simply one email address. And that's really all there is to setting up a redirect in Plesk 10. If you have any questions, feel free to open a support ticket with us at websavershosting.ca, or you can always reach us on Twitter at websavers, and we look forward to hearing from you.